How to read in Boolean data file in Python with Asarray function of Numpy. I have some data files that contain Boolean output from Fortran code. Therefore, a portion of the file will look like this. I would like to read this file in Python with numpy.asarray function, because it is easy to convert data this way, e.g. However, no matter what data it is, Python always returns an array with all trues. I have also tried to write as false false true false or 0010, and they both did not work. I would like to know if there is a way to use Asarray to achieve this, or any other suggestions that can convert Boolean data without using loops.
One way would be to do a tiny bit more processing on each of the strings of the input file to get the results you're expecting. Here I'm reading through each line in the file handle, and then for each field on the line, I compare it to the strings t. This will give a Boolean result, which can be stored in your data array as expected. The problem with the code you presented is that Python is doing its best to convert the values that you give it to Booleans. However, in Python non-empty strings evaluate to true when cast as Booleans. Bool, t equals bool, f equals bool, 0 equals bool, 1 equals true.
If you can read in the data as an array of t and f strings, then you could do the following.
If you wanted to boil it down, then you could say like in Asarray,